Hey, you guys! I'm in my studio. That was an impression of a famous actor there. Not the bit about being in my studio. Hey, you guys! I want to show you the difference between the portrait mode of the DJI Mavic 4, which is like a professional drone, and the DJI Mini 5, which is a very popular drone because of the price point and that it's sub 250, allegedly, or ish. Right, so I've got the two controls for the two drones. That controller's for the Mavic. It's lovely, lovely controller, apart from the daft aerials pointing down. Very stupid design, in my opinion. Very fragile. And then that's the controller for the Mini 5. Now, cleverly, if I turn this, I'll do it that corner because I'm doing this one-handed. Can you see the gimbal turning on the Mavic 4? So that's it in portrait mode, and then the dial, the little controller there, turns allows you to go up and down with the gimbal, but that is the maximum downward, which is only about 7 degrees. Now I'm going to do a shortcut now for the Mini 5 Pro. So if I hold that there, if I press one of the buttons under here of the controller, that will automatically tilt it into portrait. And then if I press the other underside button, it'll whack it straight down into downward mode if you want to do some bit of God mode filming. So much better for downward images, video and photos. That's just much better quality image, much better battery life, much better wind resistance. Both aren't waterproof, but two fantastic drones. Thank you, DJI. Thank you for watching.